Luggage compartments. Two storage spaces are provided for your luggage and personal belongings. In the boot, there is a loading capacity of 96 liters. It can be unlocked via a button or the hands-free card. The front compartment provides an additional 100 liters of capacity. To open it, pull the lever located at the lower section of the dashboard on the passenger side. Release the safety catch on the bonnet by moving it to the left and raise the bonnet until the stays are fully extended. To top up the screen wash liquid, open the flap on the left in the front luggage compartment. Remove the cap on the reservoir. Top up with an appropriate product until the liquid is visible. Then refit the cap. For when it is dark, both compartments are equipped with a more than handy timed lighting system.